I got another one.
The following video provides information regarding a U.S. Border Patrol-involved shooting that occurred on May 13th, 2025 in Brownsville, Texas. Customs and Border Protection is committed to being a leader in law enforcement accountability and transparency. A portion of this incident was captured on multiple agents' body-worn cameras. That footage is being released today in compliance with CBP policy. On May 13th, 2025, at approximately 10:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Fort Brown Border Patrol agents received a request for assistance from the Texas Department of Public Safety regarding shots fired at the intersection of East 23rd Street and Hortensia Street in Brownsville, Texas. A Texas DPS trooper attempted to stop a Ford Explorer near Southmost Road and 22nd Street, but the driver of the vehicle fled. While fleeing, the driver fired at the Texas DPS trooper's vehicle and then crashed into another vehicle. The driver abandoned the vehicle and fled on foot. At approximately 10:30 a.m., Fort Brown BPAs responded to the vicinity and met with Brownsville Police Department. Rio Grande Valley Sector Special Operations Detachment BPAs arrived shortly after. Fort Brown and SOD BPAs assisted with establishing a perimeter and in the search for the driver. After a 90-minute search, the driver was located behind a house at 3145 East 23rd Street, Brownsville, Texas. Responding law enforcement officers observed him holding a pistol and repeatedly ordered the driver to drop the weapon and show his hands. The driver maintained control of the pistol in his hand and ignored commands. He then ran towards the back door of the house and reportedly pointed the pistol at law enforcement officers from Texas DPS, Brownsville Police Department, and an SOD BPA, who subsequently fired their service-issued firearms. The driver sustained gunshot wounds to his left arm and pelvic area. The driver was handcuffed and moved to the front of the house, where law enforcement emergency medical technicians, including a BPA EMT, began providing medical care. He was still conscious and verbally responsive.
This footage begins shortly before the incident. U.S. Border Patrol agents are seen conducting routine operations near a known crossing point in Brownsville, Texas. The environment is calm as agents patrol the area. This section of the border is frequently monitored due to recent increases in illegal crossings.
What do you say about 20K took off on foot? He took off on foot?
They made contact in the alleyway.
The situation quickly escalates as a second suspect is observed reaching for an object inside the vehicle. Agents react swiftly, assessing the potential threat.
Let me see your fucking hands!
Shots are fired by one Border Patrol agent after observing what appeared to be a firearm in the suspect's possession.
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side! Crossfire! Get the gun! He's right behind him! He's been shot. I need to get him. Hey! Medic, give me a medic! Hey, he's been shot. I got.
Hey, put him down.
Hey, put him down here. Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
Stand by.
Hello?
We have a ranger here.
Dude.
Have no wire.
Guys, shots fired, so. I shot the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So, I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. And he's still alive. I did, me. And two other.
Okay.
Yeah, me and two other, and the DPS. Just to let you know. Yeah. I'm good, yeah, I'm good.
Medical assistance is immediately requested, and agents begin securing the area.
He jumped the fence from over there this way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty.
Standard post-engagement procedures are followed, including rendering aid and calling for EMS. Agents establish a perimeter and begin coordinating with local law enforcement. The suspect is treated on scene until medical personnel arrive. Supervisors on duty initiate an internal review and begin collecting statements from all involved agents. As seen here, the area is cordoned off and evidence is preserved. U.S. Customs and Border Protection's Office of Professional Responsibility is notified and begins a use of force investigation. Body-worn and dashboard camera footage is part of this process.
I respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but don't give me a chance to be a soldier.
All right, that's fine. No, don't you relax.
I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know that.
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hit. We're good. We don't want to pack, but yeah.
Put him on the recovery position. Bring him up.
Here on the arm, and then on his.
Go right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. It's all right, come here. Oh, that's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
Nah. Let's understand me. It's okay.
I respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but don't give me a chance to be a soldier.
All right, that's fine. No, don't you relax.
I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir.
I got another one.
Sir.
Breathe.
I got one more. Yeah.
Single GSW. Lower left quadrant.
Stand by, brother.
You're good. Fight through it.
Hey, take him down. Make sure he's not shot anywhere else. Yeah, it went through.
Right, we're way this way, buddy.
Yes, sir.
It's all right.
Like extend his foot.
Get his fucking shirt off.
Sir.
Yeah, you're all right.
Sir. So I'll check down here. Sir.
No, not yet. Take him out and cover him.
Yep.
There's no.
Sir.
Yeah, all right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good. Yeah.
Yep. Sir.
Nothing.
What else? You need any more patches?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant is sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. Help out the ambulance.
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. You got us on the arm. Just wrap it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it. Wrap it. So, yeah, just breathe normal, all right? Breathe normal, dude.
I want to be a soldier.
Yeah, just use
It's all right, brother. Just wrap it. We're good.
It doesn't stretch, so if he starts to swell, just use a pressure dressing it.
Hey,
Not too bad, just cover it up.
hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped, I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him
They're
run,
going inside right now. They're checking it out.
but he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side. You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're gonna go. The ambulance coming right now. I know. We're gonna try to get you out there, bro.
Sir, I'm not gonna be a bad person, sir, but I know.
Bro.
I know, sir.
It's all good. It's all good, brother. You have any other pains?
Sir.
You know what day today is? What day today?
Hey, you're pulse off? I mean,
Yeah, he's alert. Hey, brother, have you taken any drugs today? Are you sure?
Yes,
Nothing.
Nothing.
No marijuana, no opiate, no nothing. No uppers, nothing. Okay. All right.
Drink?
No, sir.
Nothing. All right.
I go die, sir. I go die.
No, brother. Your pulse is really good, brother. It's strong. Your pulse is strong. You're good. Yeah, this one's good right here, brother.
98. 98. We got like 5 minutes to wait. Do we want to?
Yeah, we can do the whole thing. What do you say about 20K took off on foot? He's coming towards us, he said.
Medical care continued until the arrival of the Brownsville Fire Department Emergency Medical Services personnel who provided additional medical care and subsequently transported him to the Valley Baptist Hospital in Brownsville, Texas, where he was admitted for advanced medical care.